What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake pages out here. I got a lot of people making fake pages, scamming people acting like me. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you getting legit, you doing legit business, you getting what you paid for, and you see this face, all right? So make sure y'all get the FaceTime verification calls or videos. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today I'm gonna be dropping gems on how you can start generating thousands of dollars. Start your own company, be your own boss, be an entrepreneur, and stop working these 9-to-5 jobs. Now, I know a lot of people out there tired of working their jobs, tired of working 9-to-5s, tired of working for somebody else, tired of having somebody else control how much they get paid, point blank, period. I know everybody out there has dreams and aspirations of becoming a millionaire or multi-millionaire, point blank, period, which is very much accomplishable. Anything is possible, but you just got to know how to do it. You just got to know what you're doing. You got to have a blueprint to what to do to what you're doing. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing people how I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can start your own business, how to start your own business, and how to start making thousands of dollars a day. You can start making $1,000 a day if you take these steps that I'm about to give you and really run with it. All right, so I'm gonna break down what a business is. All right, so because a lot of people don't understand what really a business is. So when you start a business, you're starting a company that is going to be providing some type of service to someone or some people. Point blank, period. So whatever your business is, you're going to be providing something. So when you start a business, you got to sit down and analyze what are the most important things, not even the most important things, what are the most popular things that people want and need right now that I'm capable of selling. Easy as that, right? So I know a lot of people out there have a hard time figuring out what they want to do, what business they want to open up, what they want to sell. Now, the easiest way to figure out what you want to sell and what you're going to sell is you're going to analyze, sit back and say, okay, I see all these people across social media and across all these different networks selling something. Out of all these products that I'm seeing everybody sell, what am I interested in? What product do I like? What product do I know about? What product do I see that I can sell that could be profitable in my life? Now, it's a lot of different things that people can be selling. A lot of different things. You could be selling some type of knowledge or some type of product, right? So when it comes down to products to sell, there's a lot of different products out there in the world. A lot of different products. But it all boils down to what's the most popular. So you got people who are buying, let me see some products that people are buying. It's a lot of different products that people are buying nowadays. You got people, okay, I'm finna just really get to the nitty-gritty. You got people who are buying wigs. You got people who are buying, starting their own clothing line. You got people who are, fashion is at an all-time high right now, which is awesome. You got people starting their own, shoe creation. I mean, they buying shoes and they paint them and selling them. You got people who are offering credit lessons. You got people who are landscaping business. You got people who are home that come clean your house. You got people who are doing everything, offering all type of different businesses. But everybody has a different liking. Everybody has a different niche. Everybody has a different power. So you just got to figure out what can you provide, right? Because once you figure out what you can provide and what's this product that you know so much about, people will buy it for you. Why? From you, because you know how to promote it. You know how to put this product in the people's eye and in their face for them to want to buy it, because you know how to promote it, and you know what to give them. So like when it comes to clothing designs, like people making these clothing, everybody's got a clothing brand, right? If you know what styles are hot and you know where to go to get the best fabric, the best product, and the best designs, and you put it in people's face so much, and you keep it in people's face, people are gonna buy it. The more they see it, the more it's gonna brainwash them in their head, and they're gonna eventually buy it. Just like with Dawn soap, dishwasher detergent. 99.8% of people watching this video uses Dawn dish detergent. Why? Because that's the only commercial we see on TV, and it actually works. Everybody can tell you what how a Dawn commercial is with the little duck and the egg and the oil and all that. Yeah, you use Dawn too. Yeah, I know. I use it. Everybody uses it. It's the leading brand because that's the only commercial we see. So we're brainwashed to buy that product when we go to the store, and we have to pick out our dish detergent. So when we go say, all right, we got to get some dish detergent. All right, you go to the aisle, you're going to look for Dawn. It's all about brainwashing the people, putting it in their face so much that they get used to seeing it, and now they feel they got to buy it and indulge into it. Just like everybody want iPhones, just like everybody want the hottest, latest design. Once something gets popping or popular, everybody wants it. The world is based on a monkey see, monkey do. All it takes is one high-powered person, one celebrity, or somebody that's very that has a following or something to do it. Not somebody's gonna do it, and it's gonna branch off. So all it takes is one person to buy your product, and it can just branch off. And it's a lot of different products out here that you could be selling. It's a lot of knowledge that you could be selling. You can go on YouTube and learn about anything and start teaching it in your own way and start helping people and getting paid for that. I even gave you can start learning the YouTube algorithm and learning how to be a YouTuber and start making YouTube channels for people and making money off that. It's so many different things that you could be making money off of. And I can't tell you directly what to go do to make money because everybody is different. Everybody likes no one likes the same thing. No one was built the same way. But if you figure out what you like, what you got a passion for, that you see other people making money with, you can do the exact same thing. It's not going to be hard. It's not hard at all. You just got to sit down and think. You got to sit down and be real with yourself. You got to sit down and understand that, hey, you got one life to live. Is you going to waste it or you going to utilize it and you're going to use it the right way? When I'm giving these credit videos, talking about business credit, you find you something that you want to sell. You find your product. You get your business credit together. You might not have the capital, but you got your business credit together. So now they might give you a $100,000 loan, $50,000 no doc loan. Now you can invest that $50,000 into your product, your brand that you have a passion for, that you believe in, that no one else believed in but you. And that $50,000 will come back in no time, plus more, maybe another 100. And now you got the sauce on how you can get $50,000 and turn it into $150,000. You do that 10 times, now you're a millionaire. Because you do know you learn new things and new tricks as you learn, as life goes, and you try new things and you learn new things. That's why I offer lessons, so I can teach people new things. And once they learn how to do new things, you never know what you will learn in your own way. That's how the world works. That's how the mind works. That's how the brain works. Once you get it running, it's going to start working. It's like being your brain is out of shape. You got to get your brain in shape. You got to get your brain back thinking, back generating. Like when you haven't played basketball in a long time and you go try to play and you out of shape and you get to throwing up. You're out of shape. But once you stay consistent with it, you're going to be back in shape and you're going to be running laps up and down, staying in shape, not tired. That's how it works. And I want to make sure everybody out there understands where I'm coming from and what I'm saying. Because there's so many different products that you can be selling. So many different products. You just got to figure out what fits and works best for you. Everybody likes something different. So figure out what you like and how you can make money off of it, right? And I guarantee you can start making $1,000 a day. What do you got to offer? Do you, whatever you like and you have to offer, does a lot of other people like this? Is a lot of other people making money selling the same product? Think about it. All right? And once you figure out what it is, understand that, okay, I want this product. So let me get my credit together so I can get this money and make money off them. Use their money to invest in this. We gonna get rich together. I'm gonna show y'all how to make these millions. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all paying attention. Make sure y'all watching these videos and y'all really understanding and feeling where I'm coming from, because I really want to see everybody become multimillionaires. I really want to see everybody become successful. It's very possible, but you just gotta understand it's gonna take a little education. It's gonna take a little knowledge. It's gonna take a little hard work and a little sacrifice. All right, and it'll happen. Anything is possible. So make sure y'all tapped in, man. Shout out to all my real King Hussle subscribers, all my real King Hussle fans, my new ones, my old ones. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce. And y'all motivate me keep you entertained. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle, Hussle Nation Empire fans and supporters. All right, I really mess with y'all. I really support y'all. That's why I'm doing this giveaway real soon. All right. Also, anybody out there looking to build their credit, clean it and build it, you want me to teach you how to do that? It's gonna be $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's gonna start at $1,500. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all new age credit repair lessons and gems. All right. Also, make sure y'all come get y'all FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, $1,200. All right, it's gonna be all the information, unlimited gems that you need, from CPNs, documents, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to get loans, credit cards, the method book, any information that you need. That's unlimited gems. All right, that's common sense. Unlimited gems. All right, so unlimited FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems is $1,200. Also, make sure y'all come get y'all mentorships. All right, mentorships is $2,500. I'm taking people under my wing and making people some money with me. All right, you invest in yourself, we gonna make some money together. Point blank period. It's all gonna come back plus more. So which means you'll get the limited gems. Plus, we're gonna make these YouTube automation channels together. All right, however many you want to make, as long as you serious, as long as you dedicated and motivated, we're gonna make money off them. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you how to outsource the videos, and we're gonna make money together. All right, I'm gonna help build the channel. We're gonna build the channel together. So once it start making money, boom, we making money together. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems, Miami, Florida, Memorial Day weekend, South Beach. I'm invading it. May 26th through the 29th. Meet me there at B Square. $3,500, $500 deposit, the rest of the money in person. All right, so book y'all seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems, Miami, Florida, South Beach. It's gonna be invaded by King Hussle. Come make some money with me. Come have fun with me. Come get one of my music videos. Come get one of my blogs. Come get one of my interviews. Come work with me. And you never know, you might get down with the team. I might sign you just off that. So see, you work some hard work. You're already investing in yourself. That showed me a lot right there. It's happened before, so make sure y'all tap in. All right, still looking for people for the production company. All right, actors, rappers, models, cameraman, producers, content creators. All right, so any rappers, any singers out there, y'all got good music, good talent, tap in with me. Music reviews is $200. All right, so you want to get signed, you want to get this nice chain, you want to get you an icy watch, you want to start making money off this music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 plus in your music career? All right, nothing is free. It's going to take a lot of money to get you popping and get seen out here. All right, so make sure you tap in, ready to invest in yourself. Also, models, any beautiful ladies out there, you ready to invest? You ready to, you ready to elevate? You ready to build your platform and brand? You ready to get your face out there? You got a good head on your shoulders. You got a good attitude. I do not deal with bad attitudes. I do not deal with women who also think they're better than everybody on God-given earth. All right, no one's better than anybody. I know a little bit about a lot clearly. All right, so make it make sense. No one owes you anything. No one's supposed to take care of you. No one's supposed to do anything for you. But you got somebody right here that's willing to help you, guide you, and make a lot of money with you, as long as you're loyal and got a good attitude and ready to elevate and really become professional and really get out there. All right, so any beautiful models out there, you ready to do podcasts, music videos, travel, blogs, interviews, all that good stuff that's gonna put you all on YouTube and social media and all that good stuff like that, tap in with me. All right, any videographers out there, all right, real cameraman, which means they book you, you go out there, you shoot the video, boom, you come home, you edit the video, you got a 4K better camera, you got good color grade, you got good masking skills, and you got good FX effects. Tap in, let's make this money, all right? Content equals views, views equals money, all right? As long as we got a good team and we all working together, we're gonna push out good content. That content gonna get good views, and the views gonna get good money. Easy as that, all right? So I'm looking for loyal and hard-working people to work with, put on the team. Come get y'all chains, come get y'all watches, whatever. We're gonna make a lot of money together, all right? Promise you that. So make sure y'all tap in, come get y'all gems. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Gonna run them followers up on my IGs, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. Links in the bio. Can't miss out. Boom. Make sure y'all follow me on my Telegram. Links are in my community post. If you missed out on that 5K giveaway that I did, that's on you, right? So make sure you go follow that my Telegram. Make sure you're ready to handle business when you come follow my Telegram. I got a strict format on how I want you to write me when you're ready to handle business. If you're not ready to handle business, please do not write me. Nothing is free, no handouts, all right? So if you looking for a handout, got a sob story, anything like that, you're not going to get a response, all right? So take that in consideration before you write me. And let's continue to win. Let's continue to get this gems. Let's continue to get this money. I'm going to continue to entertain, and y'all know how to get down. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.